Hi everybody, today I'll be showing you the basic embroidery stitches that I use in my embroidery kits. So firstly you need to thread the needle. I just flatten the end and it goes through a lot easier. Next thing we're going to do is tie the end. I like to do that a couple of times. Alright, so the first stitch we're going to learn is the back stitch. So starting from one end, and pull it through. And then go through about a centimetre in, and then up another centimetre, and then back through that hole that we originally created, and then up through the second hole. So it's basically a big game of over-under. With the back stitch, you can also make them smaller if you want, depending on the project. So that is back stitch. So to finish off a back stitch, what I like to do is thread the needle through the stitch, holding the loop, going around twice, and then pulling that tight. And then just cutting off any extra thread. So the next stitch we're going to learn is the stem stitch. So again, not at the back. So you're going to come up through the middle. Now what I like to do, you go through as if it was back stitch, and then you can come up through the middle of the stitch you just made. And then leaving about almost a centimetre gap like you would for back stitch, holding your thumb down on that loop, and then back up through the middle, and it will create a chain. And there is the finished stem or chain stitch. And then to finish that one off, exactly the same as you did with the back stitch, through one of the last hoops, and then just create a little knot at the back. The next stitch we're going to do is the satin stitch. So satin stitch is basically filling in the area. This time we'll do 4 just so I can show you the difference. And that is the French knot. Alright guys, thank you for watching and let me know if you have any questions.